So I've gone down the one-to-one teaching assistant apprenticeship, so I'm working one-to-one with young children who have learning difficulties and need extra support to access education and, you know, need that bit of a push to help them during their education. The school I work at, Ysgol Y Llan in Whitford, it's just a small mainstream primary school. All the staff are really close there and we've all got a really nice bond. The best thing about doing an apprenticeship is gaining the experience, hands-on experience, and in different fields as well. So I've done the one-to-one, whereas I've also managed to do TAing in different classes and gain all different bits of experience as well. And also relationship with staff, we're all really close, so it's really nice, everyone's really close. And having Angela as well, I've gotten really close with my tutor, so it's really nice. She comes in once every so often, we'll plan and arrange it, and it's just nice. To anyone who's thinking about doing an apprenticeship, I'd say go for it. I think it's the best route to take and you get all the education side of it as well. Now I've completed my apprenticeship, I've completed my level 2. I'm obviously now going on to my level 3 for another year, and then after that, hopefully I'm going to get a job. I'd love to get a job doing the one-to-one with young children and working, hopefully in the future, within special education.